Hi everyone, welcome back to Youth Money Mojo SG. I'm Bruce, and in today's video, we're gonna venture into the sweet world of investment. If you ever be intrigued by the idea of investment, or puzzled by jargons like stocks, ETF, REITs, or even bonds, then buckle up. I'm about to simplify this concept for you. Picture us scrolling into a cake shop, where each scrumptious cake represents a different type of investment. Intrigued? Let's get started on this tasty journey. Starting off our tour, we encounter the classic chocolate cake. Simple yet satisfying. Much like the stocks in the world of investing, purchasing a slice of this cake represents purchasing a share of the company. Now, if this cake were to win an award, we all know that the price of the cake is gonna go up. But what if the cake doesn't taste good? Then everyone is not gonna like this cake and the price of the cake will go down. This is much like stocks, where the price of the stock is determined by how well the company is performing. Next, we have the variety cake platter, representing ETF, also known as exchange traded fund. ETF is like having many different cakes on one plate. When you buy an ETF, you are essentially investing a lot of different companies all at once. This way, you are spreading out your risk. So even if one cake or one of the stock doesn't do well, the rest of the cake can help you to balance out your portfolio. So moving on, we'll look at the concept of cake pre-orders, which mirror the concept of bonds. When you pre-order a cake, you pay now with the promise that you'll receive the cake in the future. Similarly, when you buy a bond, you're actually lending money to a government or a corporation with the promise of getting your money back with some extra icing, also known as interest. Now imagine a giant cake factory that churns out cake every single day. That is similar to REITs, also known as Real Estate Investment Trust. So when you buy REITs, you're actually buying a piece of the portfolio of the property. It's like owning a part of the cake factory, and every time the cake factory makes sales, you get some profit out of it. Now as we continue, we encounter the concept of a cake club, which reflects the idea of unit trust. Now imagine in this club, there's a professional cake tester. So this cake tester, with the pool resource from the club member, will buy the cake that he deems is the best. As a club member, you also get to enjoy the slice of this cake. This is similar to how a fund management invest in a range of assets for the benefit of the unit trust investor. And finally, we have the future. Robo-Advisor. Imagine an automatic cake selector. You just tell the cake selector your preference, how much sweetness or risk you can take, and it will use algorithms to pick the best cake for you. Basically, that's what a Robo-Advisor do. It manages your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and your financial goals. Phew, that was a delicious journey, wasn't it? Remember, in the world of investment, much like our cake shop, it's vast and varied. It is crucial to understand what you're buying into and maintain a balanced cake platter or portfolio. Happy investing, everyone! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more financial related content.